Hi guys, hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, you're welcome to Aliah's Kitchen. Please feel free to subscribe and like this video. Today I'm gonna cook macaroni, or pasta, whatever you call it. Anyway, that's my chicken with garlic. I've boiled the chicken in garlic. I'm gonna also add the Irish potatoes. I'm gonna fry them. I'm gonna deep fry the Irish potatoes. Then after on, put them aside. The chicken, I'm gonna also put it aside, and I chop it into smaller pieces. I remove all the bones. Then the water where I've cooked the chicken from, I'm gonna pour the macaroni there, the pasta, whatever you call it, and then cook it, boil it in that soup. Yeah. This time I used cooking oil, but using olive oil is better. Olive oil gives a very good scent to our pasta. So let's fry together. You put the onions and the green peppers, fry them until they become brown. Then later on you add tomatoes. So the secret of making the onions brown is that they make a very good scent. It smells great when they are brown than when it's not brown. So you fry even the tomatoes too when they are so soft. You can even cover it up, then you give it some time till it becomes soft. So at this point the pasta is ready, so you remove the water and put it aside. Even our tomatoes is done. You put the tomato paste. That is tomato paste. You don't put a lot. Since you already have tomatoes, you just put little. So me, I used half. Yeah, and then I also, at that point, you can add the chicken. You can add some salt, little, since in the chicken we put salt already. So you can add a little salt in the tomatoes. You add chicken. So at this point you can add the grated carrots or whatever you want, but me, I went ahead and added the pasta. I mixed it. After on, I added the grated carrots and also the potatoes. I mixed everything together and then cover it up and then put it like on a very low flame. Literally, I'm not a fan of pasta, but when I added some potatoes in it, wow, it tasted great. It tasted so good. I was in love with it. So now our pasta is ready. It's ready to be tasted. So it looks so good. So you can add like coriander leaves on top. If you want, you can add coriander leaves on top. Yeah, but me, I add it later on. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and please continue liking this video. It supports me a lot. Thank you so much, guys.